I'll go here and just like that. So, ouch, it hurts a little bit. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Monty, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is basically like a health video. So I am a diabetic, and I have to use this meter to like check my sugar often. And instead of me having to prick my finger, I use this. Wait, it has my info on there. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. Okay, I use this right here, and it's connected to my phone. So the camera quality will change a little bit, but it's not going to be any darker than it is now, because it was pointed out in my last video that a segment of it was like a little bit darker, but y'all won't have to worry about that this time. So yeah, but I use this to check my sugar. It just goes like right here, and yeah. So I'm just gonna open it, and what comes in here is the meter. This is what you, it's the applicator, the sensor applicator. And you have to clean the area, so I use alcohol prep pads. I just use one. And I get 2 boxes because each one lasts me 14 days. And so with it lasting me 14 days, I just check my sugar on there every like 14, well, every day. But I change it and take it out every 14. Okay, but I had one right here. You can kind of see I had one like right there. So I switch my arms so that my arms don't be like hurting. So I'm gonna clean right here. Yeah, please excuse my hair. I mean, it don't look bad, but it look bad. But don't worry, cause I'm going to do my hair this weekend after I get paid. Oof, 1 second, my man. But I opened a new alcohol pad because I had to like leave out my room and go downstairs, which is like a different atmosphere and has different stuff in the atmosphere than my room. Let me just clean it again, and I'm just clean that same spot. And I'm gonna let that dry. So to put together these 2 pieces, first we're gonna screw this off. And it looks like that on the inside. Then we're gonna open the earpiece. And it looks like this. So if you can, ooh, if you see, it's like the same. So I just take this and it's this side up where, because the needle's right there. So, and then if you see, it's like the 3 sensor dots right there, and then there's 3 dots right there. So I'm just gonna take it. And it also, if you see this piece and then that piece, I'm gonna take it. And it's on there. And then you can see there's a needle right there. So I take it, I'm gonna do one last swipe. I'll go here and just like that. So, ouch, it hurts a little bit sometimes. I installed it a little bit lower than I normally do though. Normally install it like right there, but it's okay. So we're gonna switch devices so I can show you guys how I use my phone to connect. Okay, so as you can see in the screen recording right here, I just go to the Libre Freestyle 2 app, and it says sensor ended. Start a new sensor to check glucose. So I'm gonna click OK, and click OK again, and then I'm gonna click accept and accept. It says apply new sensor. The sensor should be applied to the back upper arm. So I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna click scan new sensor. And then I'm gonna tap it right there. And then it just tells me like don't take high doses of vitamin C, more than 500 milligrams a day, and because it may falsely raise like my sensor readings or whatever. So it takes an hour to like prepare the sensor to be ready. So it's 2:40. It'll be ready at 3:40 p.m. But I have to put like my little protective covering over it, so I'm going to go get that so that I can put it on there. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I have my protective covering thing. So all I'm going to do is open it just like this. I'm not going to put it on. And I'm going to take a second alcohol wipe. Third alcohol wipe. And open it. And I'm just going to clean around this. So like this. Just real simple. And then it has a back piece like this. So I just open this, and then this is the paper that you don't need. It's like this. This is the piece that goes on the sensor. It's sticky. And so then I take it and I put it there. And do just like this. And then I peel it. Wait, I gotta find a piece to peel it. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I got the first piece off. See? And now
approximately 10 hours later.
it looks just like this. And then when 3:40 come, I just tap it on there, check my sugar, and see what my sugar is for the day. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, once I get to 55 subscribers or more, I'm gonna do my first Q&A, and I feel like y'all are gonna really enjoy it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.